So this is instruction video on how to disassemble and reassemble back the E4 pipette, electronic pipette. First, we'll need to remove the battery, which is located here, and you simply just slide that plate off, and you can just slide the battery out. So now after this, you'll need, I forgot the name of the screwdriver. I think it's a star wrench, and you put this in here. Take these two screws out. Okay, that's done. And you simply want to remove the clips. Take off the front cover. Place it to the side. And you want to move the joystick top off. Remove protective coating. So then you also want to remove the LED screen. Try not to place it down somewhere so it doesn't get scratched. So now you have this. So what you want to do is use your star wrench in. Get in here and remove these two screws. You can see that. Place those down. Now you should be able to remove this freely. Once it's removed freely, you unplug the motor and the speaker. Now you have your boards. This board, the pins are easily, can just slide it out. So that's for that board, that's the joystick board, and here's the motherboard. And this comes off by using these two clips. Okay, so reassemble. You have to be very careful when you're reassembling that you will assemble the joystick board correctly and that it's flush, and that it's flush with the other board and that all the pins are connected, and you need to push firmly down on there so there's no gap. All right, so once that's done, you can start back reassembly. You plug back in the speaker and the motor. And it only goes one way, the speaker and the motor connection, so you can't do that incorrectly. Once you have those plugged in, you place it back in here. And you should hear it click like that, and that's how you know it's back in place properly. You take your screws and your wrench, screw the board back down. Don't screw the one down tightly all the way. Don't bottom all the way out until you're able to get the other screw in, then you can bottom them out. So I'll bottom this one out. It's in there pretty good. And then this one. Okay. Then I can start reassembling with the protective cover on. Put the joystick top back on. Put the LED screen back on. Cover. You should hear it snap. Everything should snap back in place. Make sure all your buttons are able to be pressed. And you get your screws. Screw this back in. your connection of your battery. And then this slides back on. Boom. You have service, and you can hear it turning the motor, and you can go through your setups. You can go from, if you press down on here, you can go to your different levels. So now we're in level 1. Go back here and we can go to level 2.